Georgia, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Blaine to near White to near Kingston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Cartersville, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, White, Waleska, Kingston, Cassville, Buffington, Juneau, Talmadge, Tate, Funkhauser, Hinton, McKee, Lake Arrowhead, Marble Hill, Salicoa Valley and Pine Log. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m.